treat yourself to a test drive in the 2010 Lexus ES 350. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 15,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Lexus prioritized handling and performance with features such as power front seats, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic temperature control, front fog lights, and cruise control. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.